This car can make criminals unstoppable. With this car, you could easily escape the cops after doing something illegal. Why? Because it literally changes colors with just a tap. This is the BMW iX Flow, the world's first car wrapped in electronic ink that it can shift from black to white and even mix shades instantly. No paints, no wraps, just pure futuristic tech. Is this genius or dangerous?
It's completely asymmetrical. Take a look at this. This is the driver's side, pure performance, 1400 horsepower. For when you want to be driven. This side of the car is for when you want to be driven around in autonomous mode. Look at this floor. It's completely see-through. And then take a look at this. It's a floating passenger seat. Look at that. Completely floating. How cool is that?
Just come with me, take a look at this new technology advancement. China isn't joking at all. Instead of calling a tow van to always, remove a car from a wrongly parked place to the right place. So with this machine, I think you can just conveniently remove the car from a very wrong parked way to the right place. So just leave at the comment section what is the disadvantage and advantage of this machine, because I believe that if it's found in the hands of the wrong people, it could also be used to rob.
That aerodynamics. Take a look at this. In future, it's all about luxury. Instead of having to reach into the trunk, it is actually delivered to you on the side at hand height. Look at this. The bellboy will take it out, discreetly roll it away. Look at this. These Rolls-Royce symbols here are even weighted on the luggage. They've thought of everything. See the interior. This is so cool, guys. Look at this. You've got this red light running along the bottom of the step, and that projects a red carpet all the way out here. So when you enter your car, you walk on a red carpet, which you can see better at night, and then you literally walk into the car. You don't have to duck, because of course that's not very luxurious. That's what they're aiming for. Take a look at this. As you can see, no steering wheel. Now, what you could say is Rolls-Royce has been from the very beginning an autonomous car because they were made to be chauffeur driven. So you were always kind of hanging back here in luxury and comfort. Look, you've got silk pillows, a silk lounge chair here in the back. You've got hand woven woolen carpet. Now I'm going to show you what this will do in the future. It's all going to be controlled with artificial intelligence. This is Eleanor. She is your artificial intelligence person.
I know from your diary that you are due to attend a rather special charity auction in aid of the Governor's Foundation. It starts at 8 p.m.
Alright, the other feature that they don't want to get rid of in a Rolls-Royce of the future is this. Your Rolls-Royce branded umbrella. Take a look at the shape here. It looks like a yacht. They're owning that. It's kind of like a catamaran here. Here is fully open on the side. For better aerodynamics, you can see all the way through. Just take a look at the back. We haven't seen the back yet. These floating taillights here. Look at the carbon fiber detailing with the Rolls-Royce badge behind the glass. Luggage space in the back. The most exciting bit, we're going to go for a drive. The future of Rolls-Royce, built for the year 2035.
Goggles, you see little cameras there. And there, I can actually just put this on like that. And now I see a lot of options that you don't. Watch this. Future is now, baby. I can select my music up here. I can select my drive mode down here. Even my climate control is on the door. For you, it's a solid piece. For me, I can grab it, hover it anywhere, and turn it like that. In the middle, with a glass panel, with cups and a water bottle, because this car encourages outdoor activity. Check out the back, ready? Suicide doors. Close it back up. No B-pillar at all. And this is called the Audi Actisphere. It's a sportback SUV, an off-roader, and a pickup truck all in one. Let's take it for a drive.
Night. Look over here. How amazing does that look? Down here, the foot on the brake. Ready? Watch. The door closes. How cool is that? Start stop button on. You have a customized dial now, so you can choose that color to match your interior. And you see now, look at all of these stars. Over 10,000 stars in your car, all across the door. Just beautiful. Let me show you the exterior. It's very cool. Very cool. Biggest grille ever on a Rolls, and it lights up. First ever on a Rolls Royce. This is where you charge. 530 kilometer range. The brand new Rolls Royce Spectre, all electric Rolls Royce.
Gets displayed, which you can change. We've got an electric spoiler. This is the Avatar 1.1. It's up the side. When I push this button here, our door can open or close because there are no door handles at all. We've got this futuristic tornado looking thing, which is actually a voice command. Passenger screen, 15.6-inch infotainment screen, which you can use to open your doors and to close them. We've got our different drive modes. But the craziest thing is, you can make this car sound like a V8. Let's take it for a drive.
Using to get around. Fully autonomous for 2 passengers. This is fully electric. A fully electric plane that takes off vertically like a helicopter and lands vertically like a helicopter. It is 100 times quieter than a helicopter. It has 12 separate motors all the way along the front. These ones tip forward when you're flying. This is for takeoff, this is for flying mode. Now you come around here. You've got the batteries in this part of the aircraft. Has about 850 horsepower. So to get around, go to work, etc., you can put your briefcase here. You've even got space for some luggage. And the one they launch will be a 4-seater with a pilot. Lights go on. Now, look at this. This right here is Koji-san. Now his face has been registered to this bike. All right? Only he can control it. Now, watch this. And it responds immediately. Look at that. And this is now self-balancing. So if you see this right here, this is where the electric motor is, and this is what balances the bike when it drives by itself. You can see how it's just slightly correcting itself as it stands here. Now watch this. Okay, let's get it to drive forward. Okay, all gesture control, you guys. All right, come on, and here it goes. Driving by itself, auto-correcting. You see how it's auto-correcting here? All right, and then we're gonna get Koji-san to stop, and it stops. Now, this is fast mode, but watch this. This little button here, ready? Watch this. Wow, cruise mode. How beautiful is this? Now you see this here? This is a silicone knee hold. You have the same on this side. That's where you put your knee now to direct the bike left and right. There is no handlebar. You do it all through the knees. Now we go back down. Look at the lights. Beautiful. All right, let's tell the bike to go back. I mean, come on guys, is this the future or what? What do you reckon? Okay, and we'll get the bike to stop. This is the Motoro 2 by Yamaha. Now we turn it off. Goes on its side. And that's that. What do you think?